A lot of people suffer from complex wounds. In the Netherlands, for example, 500,000 people have wounds that are open for weeks, months, or sometimes years. Like people with an open leg, burns, bed sores, or a diabetic foot. Wounds people with diabetics can't feel anymore.
If you look just in the Netherlands, at diabetic foot problems, we have 30,000 patients already suffering from these kind of wounds. If this is not solved for these patients, then you see that 2,000 people will lose by amputation either their foot or toe. So that's a huge burden for these people.
So that's why startup Plasmacure wants to help. They developed a smart pad that can close wounds by using a cold plasma. You can compare this by using lightning to close the wound.
Yes, lightning. And imagine that the lightning hits you, and if you are a small bacteria, you will immediately be killed. And that's what we need in the wound care, to kill the bacteria. And there is also a strong electric field present, and that stimulates the tissue growth and the local blood flow. And that's why it is so effective in wound healing.
The benefits are huge, also when you look at the cost.
If you look at the current cost for a complex wound, that is about 10,000 euros per year. And we expect that once we manage to close a wound, then we will reduce this amount to just a few thousand euros. So that's a huge cost saving overall.
Plasmacure has done clinical trials on 20 patients at VU Medical Center in Amsterdam. The result? No side effects, and it really works.
We see that more than half of the patients, the wound was really healing already very fast in these 2 weeks of treatment. And that's a huge difference. Even some wounds were completely closed already, and some of them closed a few weeks after the treatment. And if you realize that these wounds were already present for months or sometimes years, this is really a strong improvement on the wound healing process.
So now it's time to think bigger.
The dream is to help patients and bring this to the wound care clinics and also in the next version at the patient's home, so they can do the treatments themselves. We have a very good and unique solution for a huge problem. And the good results will convince, at the end of the day, the market. And this way we will conquer the world.